This is the JAP 2A, and you can see the pistons there, top dead centre. And on that part of the cycle, you can see the valves opening and closing. What you need to get lined up is there's a timing mark on there, top dead centre, and at the bottom there's an arrow on the timing wheel. There's a 1 marked on the camshaft there. And if those two aren't in the same place, that's not going to work. This is the inside of JAP 2A. You can see all we've got left in there is the crankshaft and the piston, conrod just there, that's the counterweight. And this clever little thing here is the governor. As that gets faster and faster, those weights spin out, move this whole assembly along, which moves the governor lever, which is pressed against there inside. Right, there's the governor assembly. And, that rod there comes through from the side of the crankcase and just gets pushed backwards and forwards by that collar on the governor when those weights spin out. On this side is the lever that we connect to the throttle. So be careful, don't push that all the way through. There are the valves at the top. These are the rockers which you'd normally see on the top of a car. It pushes the valve open, that's the inlet valve, and that's the exhaust pipe, so that's the exhaust valve there. And this little fella is the cam that moves them around. So we're going to wait for the gaskets to arrive and sort those out. In the meantime, we'll get this brushed out and spray it with some high temperature paint, make it look a bit tidier. And if I can remember where all the bits go, I'll stick it all back together.